Hey, what's up guys? It's Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're working in Trinity, Florida. We're here for a roof cleaning, shingle roof cleaning for a returning customer. I've cleaned this property probably around 3 or 4 times the last couple of years. This is the first time I will be doing the roof though. Shout out to my boy Brad Barker. I didn't say Baker, I said Barker, for the hat. As you guys, if you follow me on social media, you probably know that my birthday was just passed recently, so my boy sent me a hat, actually brought me a hat to a job. So I appreciate it. I think it looks very stylish. I appreciate it. So it's gonna be my days when I'm washing, I don't have to spray too much over here because I don't want the sand to get stained. So I'm only doing the roof today, so we won't have to worry about that. So I appreciate all y'all support. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Any questions you got, hit the bell so you know when I put up a new video. Let's get to work. I'm gonna go show you guys what it looks like. So to start off, it's a small roof. I won't be here that long, I know that, but it's never been cleaned before. Got like some streaks on it. I haven't put my ladder up yet. I'm gonna show you guys down here. You can see right there all those streaks. This customer was actually gonna try to get me the next 2 neighbors over there and this 2-story one, but it didn't bite on it, so I'll just be doing hers. They don't have no gutters on the side. I only see gutters right here in the front, right here, just this wall. The garage area doesn't have it, and the rest of the house doesn't have it. And you can see there's a lot of plants, so it's gonna be a lot of watering down to make sure we don't kill anything. You know, you don't want to leave a line on the grass, none of that. May have to pull out my little sprinklers and set them up just so I can get everything wet down. This is the back of the roof. Yeah, I can see some marks on this side of the roof. Nothing over here, but more so on this side. No gutters around. When there's no gutters, it's like you gotta come down and wet stuff down more than usual because you don't want to leave that line of SH and the grass. It's like I said, small house. I just walked around the whole house just now. So I'm gonna show you guys how I set everything up when I'm working with no gutters. Just, you know, if you're doing this type of work by yourself, you can have a guide. All right, let me get set up. All right, to start off, we wet down everything real good before we start, just to make sure we don't kill any kind of grass or plant life if we got plants around. Normally, I water down for a good 15 minutes before I even go on the roof. And then when I'm up there, I do one side, depends how big the side is. I do one side, I come down, and I water down the under where I just spray the roof. And I just do each side the same way, so you know, you're gonna go up and down a few times, especially because you're by yourself. But you wanna be careful, so you gotta do what you gotta do. So now I'm gonna just water down this side here, and you guys just follow along. Also guys, if you are watering somewhere down that's so close to the neighbor, it's always good to go ahead and just water down the neighbor's plants as well, just in case if you get some overspray on it. So, you know, just go ahead and knock them out while you're there. So I'm just gonna wet these down. And everything I do now, as far as wetting it down, is gonna be done multiple times. So this is the pre-soak. When I clean this side, I'm gonna come down and re-soak it again. And once the whole entire roof is done, everything gets soaked down again. You could use a neutralizer if you want. I know Ameritech sells it, but the name for it is called sodium thiosulfate. So you can get that. and use it as your bleach neutralizer. You can get it from Amazon. I'm just using water right now. All right, this is the roof here. You can see a lot of streaks, like I said. It's better to see them up top. This one's super dirty. Hopefully once they see theirs, they give me a call. As I always tell you guys, look over here. You're gonna see the difference. This is what we're gonna get the color to look like. This is gonna be the first time this roof is gonna be clean. I was supposed to get that one too, but we'll see. So I like to spray from the bottom edge first and then move up top and then spray from up here, because then I can gauge my runoff so I don't have a whole bunch of drips coming down and lessen the chance of killing any grass or any plants. I'm waiting on my mask, guys. Should be here the next day or two. I ordered it from Amazon. I'll show it to you guys when I get it, but I know I'm supposed to have a mask on, trust me. So I'm gonna start now.
Perfect.
All right, so you guys can see I sprayed the whole side already. See my runoff going down, but it's not crazy. You can see it running down here. It's not crazy. You don't want to have a whole bunch of runoff, then then you're gonna risk killing plants down there. All right, so I may have a little bit right there that's going down real slow, but it's not gonna be all over the place. I'm gonna do this side now. All right, we're downstairs. As you guys see, look, there's no drips coming down. Got a little bit right here, a little bit right here, but it's not heavy, runoff. You're gonna have a little bit of drip, that's fine. So that's why we're coming down here now to wet everything down, just to dilute everything that's falling onto the grass or the plants, all right? Also, another thing I forgot to mention, when you leave, just tell the customer, if they got them, sprinklers, go and turn them on. Especially if you got a lot of flowers and stuff like that, flower beds, if you were spraying near them, just tell them to cut them on, next couple of days for added protection. Customers really appreciate that. So now we're gonna go up and do the last two sides, guys. Let's go. All right, now we got the last two sides spray. What I always do is just touch up any green spots that looks a little darker. It doesn't mean that they ain't cleaned up. It's just that they didn't die fully yet. So I normally just hit them one more time before I get down, so I had to come back up here. Everything else up here is already sprayed, guys. All I gotta do is get down and water everything down one more time. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the roof here. Like I said, everything is treated. I used a 6% mix of sodium hypochlorite. You know, it's mixed with water, of course, and I got a little bit of surfactant in there as well, just to make it stick. The surfactant allows you to spray and not have, you know, a lot of runoff, because it makes the solution stick to the roof. But how you spray also matters too. As you guys see how I spray, I hold my wand up. I'm not like close to the shingles. That way, you know, it's pooling and running down the roof. A light coat up top. You may have a little bit of runoff, but you know, you're not gonna have too much, all right? And that's all it takes to clean this roofs. Or tile or shingles, same way, you know? You guys can see a big difference on this roof here from when I got here this morning. I haven't been here that long. I probably started like around 10:30, 11:20. If I was here with somebody else doing my ground protection, I would have been out of here already. All right, let's get down there and water everything one more time, guys. Guys, so we're done here. A customer stopped me and want me to come do their fence and a little walkway or something like that. So let's go check it out and I'll put it on the schedule, man. I'm gonna give them a good deal so I can lock it down. All right, guys, we're at the neighbors, well, somewhat neighbor. They're like second house on that street where I was earlier. I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on over here. So basically all he wants is this front section done right here, this block right here. I might just go ahead and just clean the whole walkway. And then over here, he got a few pieces of fence, vinyl fence, with some little bit algae on them, like over here, like stuff like that. He wants to get that cleaned up. This panel here is dirty. You can see how dirty these panels are. And then he has a small little pad right here, right outside the door. I might go ahead and hit this bottom of the sliding glass doors for him. Just want to get this pad cleaned up. I'm actually just gonna use my pump up sprayer with some SH in it. Spray it on, just with the 50-50 mix, and get it cleaned up and rinse it off with the pressure washer. I'll do the pads as well with the pressure washer. That's it, guys, we're done. Quite early right now. My watch always makes me look dumb on camera for some reason. I don't know why. 12:24. Pretty early day, man. I like it like this. So let's check this this little job out. So I cleaned the patio. Went ahead and hit that bottom of that door for him. because that thing was filthy, man. Couldn't leave it like that. I think they're moving out, so they're trying to get the deposit, so they want to make sure this place looks best as possible. But everything here is cleaned up. Take a picture for the customer. All right, let's check out the fence. Fence looking good. All that algae is gone. Simple jobs like this on the way out, I just charge them $100. I was here maybe 15 minutes. So easy money. And I helped them out as well. I cleaned out the front walkway. They didn't even ask for that. Front door area. Didn't affect the paint. Everything is soft washed. All right, you guys, that's it for the video today. 2 jobs in and out. Early day before 12:30. Just how I like it. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like. Get those views up. Share with your friends and family or somebody that you think is going to enjoy the content, or maybe even trying to get into the pressure washing industry. I lay out everything for you guys to make it easy so you can start your own business. Homeowners, watch my channel as well. You know, take some tips and apply it to their own property, which, you know, it's pretty cool to know I'm helping out somebody out there. Somebody requested I do an overview of my rig. I will do that, but today's too hot, so that's gonna be a separate video. I'll do a nice little video dedicated to just that for you guys. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment section. If you got any requests or type of video you wanna see, anything you got, guys, let me know and I'll implement it in my little to-do list. So y'all enjoy the video. Have a good one. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.